Very nice. 2013 Lincoln MKS with premium package. Only $5,900 cash out the door. Bright silver metallic, remote start, aluminum alloy wheels, tinted windows. All-wheel drive. Front mat. It's black leather interior. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Power driver's seat adjustments. CD player. THX premium sound system. Heated and cooled seats in the front. Heated steering wheel, backup camera. Navigation. Hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls, auto headlights. Just under 195,000 miles. Come by and see us. AU Cars, won't last long.